Today I'm about to share the unboxing and my first impression on the recently launched Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro Lamborghini Custom Edition phone. It's a super high-end phone with a unique design, custom accessories, a special theme, and the highest variant with 24GB RAM and 1TB storage. Hey guys, Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. The Redmi K70 Pro Lamborghini Custom Edition comes in a sleek box that's a bit longer than the regular edition. In the middle of the box, you will find the Lamborghini logo with the Redmi branding above it. The box has a texture resembling the grille of the Lamborghini car all over it. On the back, it mentions the Squadra course, which is Lamborghini's automotive department. The special version comes in a yellow and offers a 24 gigs of RAM and 1TB of storage. So just like the Honor 90 GT I talked about yesterday, the Redmi K70 Pro also has the same 24GB of RAM and 1TB of storage space. It seems like these are becoming pretty standard now. Additionally, on the back, you will find the Lamborghini security marks. When you take off the plastic wrapping and open the lid of the box, you will notice it's quite a large cardboard box. This is a SIM ejector tool at the back of the box. Let's take that out and have a look. The SIM tool here comes with some fancy textures and has the Lamborghini branding on the back. Compared to the regular thin SIM tool, this one is a bit thicker. Next, we have got the user manual and a premium phone case. When you check the back of the case, it feels like it's wrapped in a leather, although it might be plastic. It's hard to tell, but the texture resembles like leather. Plus, there is an embossed Lamborghini logo on the case too. The logo even has a raised letter on it. And the camera module is in the cool pentagon shape. Inside the case, you will find texture resembling the grille of the Lamborghini. Similar to what's on the box, there was a ribbon included with the case that you attach here, allowing you to carry the phone from here. You will need to insert the phone into the case for that. Inside the box, there are textures that look like carbon fiber. When you open this small lid, you will find a custom-made power adapter. The charger comes in a pure black color, delivering a power of 120 watt output and has the Lamborghini logo on it. It comes with a Type A to Type C charging cable. Now, when we remove the plastic wrap from the phone and talk about the design and build, this particular phone comes in a striking yellow color. Interestingly, it's essentially the regular version of the Redmi K70 Pro, but the design is just different. The hardware specs remain the same. This is what the regular version look like. In terms of design, in the Lamborghini version, the design under this camera module point downwards, inspired by the element from the Lamborghini cars. When you look at the camera module, at the bottom you will notice texture reminiscent of the Lamborghini style, but these textures are only around the edges of the module. The module itself sits a bit raised. To the right of the camera lens, you will find the Redmi branding and the camera specs, while above the camera lens there is a golden metal ring. The bottom part of the phone seems a bit raised in the middle, but it's actually flat. It's just a look that way because of the design. When you change the angle of the phone, you will notice a different texture. There is Lamborghini logo embossed inside the glass, and this yellow color is stunning and really eye-catching. This right angle of the phone has a glossy black metal frame. You will find the power button on the right side. At the top there is a IR blaster and a microphone. At the bottom you will find the SIM tray, Type C port and bottom firing speaker. Things you want different in the new phone. Now let's talk about the custom theme here. It's all about Lamborghini. This theme is fully customized with the icon in the hexagonal style. Even third-party apps icon follow the hexagonal shape. The wallpaper also reflects the Lamborghini theme and is the default wallpaper for the lock screen too. Here you can see the image of the Lamborghini sports car, including a very stylish concept car. Even when the screen is off, you get that same cool Lamborghini theme. You will also find the default theme of the K70 Pro here. So the main difference in the phone lies in the design and the design of the accessories. Everything else remains pretty much the same as the regular version. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any question, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.